What is a frequency table? The word frequency means how many of a certain type of something there are. In statistics, types are called categories. So, one way of showing how many observations you have in each category is with a frequency table. This is one example of what a frequency table can look like. It is an excellent tool for organizing data. To illustrate how, let's check out an unorganized list, and then look at ways you can organize it to get a better overview of the data at hand. At first glance, it can be hard to extract much information from an unorganized list of data. In order to organize a list, you must use categories which cover all the different observations. Each observation should only belong to exactly one category. In this list, the categories are banana, watermelon, pear, and orange. It's often wise to highlight the different observations by category. This makes it much easier to find the frequency for each. Let's use some color to distinguish them. Now you place each category into the table and count the number of observations in each category. And that's it. You have now organized your data by completing a frequency table. Let's look at another example of how to go about making a frequency table. In a survey, 10 pet owners, who each only own one pet, were asked which kind of pet they have. The answers they gave were dog, cat, and rabbit. So, these three kinds of pets then make up the categories of your frequency table. To find the frequency of each category, you must go through your list of observations. To keep track of your progress through the list, you can check off each item and add a tally mark in the table. The first pet owner had a dog, the next one a cat, the third one a cat, and so on, until you've gone through the list of all 10 pets. Now you can count the tally marks to find the frequency. There were 3 dog owners, 5 cat owners, and 2 rabbit owners. Remember the word distribution from an earlier video? A frequency table illustrates the distribution of the observations among the different categories. This frequency table shows the distribution of the number of pets. You can also use a frequency table to create charts that visualize the data. You will be shown the process for how to do this in a later video. A frequency table is a way of showing how many observations there are in each category.